Don't you have a flight to catch?
Yeah, but I forgot to check my Yammer before leaving.
Can you still make the flight?
Yes, you can. Stay connected to the Pioneers Hub using the Yammer mobile app. You can post updates, check messages and notifications whenever and wherever.
Is the IT guy still here?
Yes, you can.
YOU or you? Is that too casual?
Hey, Katrina, do you think I can post this?
Yes, you can. Don't be afraid to share interesting updates on the Pioneers Hub. We'd love to hear about your thoughts and experiences at Dairy Farm.
Great post, Joanne.
Yes, you can.
I added some notes to your doc on Yammer.
Great, thanks.
Shall we share it with the group?
Guys.
Well, we were just editing a document on Yammer and I thought we could share it to the wider group.
Yes, you can. It's great to see you collaborating on Yammer. Creating, sharing and discussing your work on the Pioneers Hub is the very best way to stay connected.
It's fine, I have warranty.
Yes, you can.